Alright, here's how you work your Acurite when you're working with the CSS, or you're going to hold it at certain RPMs. First, we'll do it by the CSS. This is your constant surface speed. Do your settings here. We're going to do it in gear selection. You can program your VFD for the low gear and the high gear. So right now we have a program for gear number 1, which is low gear. So we have selected gear number 1. Now we're going to do it at, say, 45 feet per minute. We're going to hit enter. Then we're going to turn on our spindle. And we're going to hit on, CSS on. And what this is going to do is keep that constant surface speed at, what do we set it at, 45 feet per minute. So your RPMs will change per your load on your spindle. You can either do it that way, or you can do it by just keeping a constant RPMs on your spindle by going to RPM operation. Right here we're going to go gear selector 1. You can set your limits to a minimum and maximum. You don't want the machine to go over certain RPMs or below a certain. You set that right there. Now we're going to set it at 100 RPMs. We're going to turn on our spindle. As you can see, it'll keep it at a constant speed. If the load on your spindle changes any, it puts a harder load on, it's going to give it more power to keep you at 100 RPMs. You can change this, you can change the speed, you can bump it up, low, down, low. Now also you can turn this off, this operation off, where you're not doing either of those. Now we can change some wires in the back on our VFD to make it work off just this variable speed RPM dial right here. Do that. Come in the back. I just turned the power off. We're going to wait for this to turn off. Once that turns off, I'm going to pop this out. We're going to undo this screw right here. There's 2 tabs at the top. We're going to pop that cover off. Now if you notice right here, this is the original setup. These 3 wires right here are what you're going to be hooking back. As you can see here, ACM, AV1, and plus 10. They're labeled accordingly. You go 1, 2, 3, 4 in with the ACM, unhook the black and red wire. That's your CSS hooked up right now. We're going to unhook these 2. We're going to hook these 3 wires back up the way this diagram shows. Then we're going to cap this red and the black one off. Then we're going to reassemble this. And after we do that, we're going to be running just off that dial up in the front to change your RPMs.